Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to tweet Spotify Wrapped in 2022. So watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. Now let's jump right into the video. So it's pretty easy, so quick and easy. So what you have to do is to go to Spotify. I think, yeah, here I have Spotify, and now here what you have to do, select, we are in the home tab, please select the search tab, and here over here please select tab on 2022 Wrapped. And if you don't see this option, just log in and log out of your account. This fixed this problem, for at least for me personally. I tried this and it worked. Or you can also update Spotify and restart your phone. And now if you see this 2022 Wrapped, you are wrapped, please click on it or tab on it, and here tab on your Wrapped is here, and just skip to the last slide, and here the last slide, please wait. And now here you should see share, so click on tab on share, and here we have the option to download, so click tab on download, and okay, and now you saved your Wrapped, your Spotify Wrapped. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.